Hello, class. This video we're going to talk about simulation model with risk, and we're going to study the news vendor problem. This is our parameter. It's the same as we discussed in the class, except the distribution function now is follow a triangle distribution. First, what we're going to do is to define a distribution, follow a demand distribution follow a triangular. So we can go define distribution triangular. Triangular, as you see here, it has three parameters: the minimum, the most likely, and the maximum, which is given by the table here. So the minimum is E, as you see, is E4, the most likely is E5, and the maximum is E6. As you see, the risk will give you a preview of this demand distribution. It looks like this, exactly a triangle. And if you press F9, you should be able to see different realization of demand, but now is fixed because we have to go to setting and change the view from static value to random value. Static value means it always give you the mean value, so you should change to random value. Now if you press F9, you'll give you different realization of demand. The revenue we can earn is just the price of the price you can sell and the amount of you can sell, which is the minimum of your demand and the order quantity you made. So this is your revenue, and notice that we don't have a reference here because we are not going to drag this formula. The purchase cost is just the order quantity you purchase and the purchase price. Leftover is the maximum of 0 and your order quantity minus your demand, because order quantity minus demand is only meaningful when it's positive. That means you have some leftover. The refund is by the leftover multiplied by your unit refund, and the profit is the revenue minus your purchase cost plus the total refund you have. So next step is to define the profit as our output, because we're going to track the profit for each realization of demand. Name this as profit, class OK, and then you are ready to run a simulation. You can hit start simulation and going to evaluate the performance of order quantity for you. So in the class we made a mistake because we set order quantity to be 80, but it's not. But the demand is always larger than 100, so it's more sensible to change the order quantity larger than 100 and smaller than 300. Larger than 100, smaller than 300. So you can click Start Simulation. They will give you the result for the quantity as 100 units, and you can view the result by click Excel output report to view the result. And a quick look at the result is just give you the distribution of profit while it's still running. It'll give you preview. As you see here on the right side panel, you can see the mean of your profit, the maximum and the minimum, etc. Look at Excel report. We can look at the output result summary or just a quick report. Press OK. Now give you the exact the things we just look at: the distribution of profit and the cumulative distribution of profit, etc., as well as the mean and standard deviation of profit. You can also look at the output summary, which give you a summary of this result with the mean and the maximum. So in this case, we show how to evaluate a profit associated with a single order quantity, but actually we want to evaluate the performance under this alternative order quantity. So we need to use this function risk simutable to tell the program what are the value we're going to evaluate. So we use this value, this alternative value for our decision alternatives. Since we have, say, of 6 values, so we change the simulation to 6. Usually you have iteration around 5,000 or even more, but for the sake of time, we're going to use 100. And you can click Start Simulation, and then it will generate the result for you under different order quantity. And this may take some time. And while you finish the program, you can click Excel report to see the result. There are some chance that I probably could not see the result because it seems there is some error going on here and it's happening not only once. So if I couldn't see the result, remember you can always click Excel report and to see the summary of the profit and the different order quantity. As you see here, go to when you change the order quantity, the distribution of profit is changing. Okay, let's wait for 1 minute to see if I can see the result.